Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we are here to guide you on the application Snapchat, and here we'll be learning how you can fix your locked account on Snapchat. So your account may be locked if you violated the guidelines and terms and guidelines of Snapchat, but don't worry, there is a way in which we can unlock it. For this, you need not open your Snapchat, rather you need to go to your browser, Safari, Chrome, whatever you wish. It is the same for both Android and iOS. Open a tab and on the link tap in Fix Snapchat Locked Account. Once you go here, select the first thing. Make sure you go to an authentic website. The first thing that is support.snapchat.com. So you go here rather than going and tapping in random links. So go to my account is locked Snapchat support. So here they have said you already, like I mentioned earlier, if your Snapchat account has been locked, it may mean we've detected some activity from your account that violates the terms and service and community guidelines. This is done to keep the app fun and safe for everyone. But don't worry, you can always get back your account. So what you can do is scroll down here, and in this blue text it's written unlock your account. Tap in there and now you will be sent to a new browser. Now type in your email address or username and your password, and once you do that, I'm not a robot test, you need to verify and log in. Of course, what the email address and username I gave, I just made it up myself, but if you do that, your Snapchat will be back on track. So you may go back here and you will have your Snapchat back again. That is how you fix your locked account of Snapchat on your mobile phone. So if this video was helpful in any ways, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment down below if you have any queries regarding it. Thank you so much for watching.